This is the pump and the hose, which we always carefully, after oil change, we put a piece of paper, so we try to keep the boat as clean as possible in those matters. And now, well, there is the sucking things. With temperature, oil is get thicker and thinner, and it's easier to do it. And we also count in empty bottles how many liters goes. So we just have the calculation of how many liters of oil we have to put back. Of course, then you have to add the oil filter, which take, in this case, very small one, perhaps it will take half liter.